Charged Allergy-Friendly Snacks is a gluten-free, allergy-free dessert snack line. I want to help you cash in on a $108 billion industry. Little things you know, 18 million Americans have a food sensitivity, an allergy sensitivity, a dietary restriction. 30% of people deliberately avoid gluten. Gluten-free dishes even appear on 26% of all restaurant menus. I want to help you cash in on the $7 billion that is spent in America alone on gluten-free and allergy-friendly foods. Our mission is to provide an alternative snack line to consumers that have food allergies, special diets, and those that are looking for a better-for-you dessert snack. We offer them in 3 styles. We have our 6-piece pouches, our 2-piece snack wraps, and then our party tubs. All of our products are 100% gluten-free, plant-based, free of the top 12 allergens, and they're in a grab-and-go format where they're ready to eat and resealable. Originally, we founded our company in Seattle in 2020 during the pandemic. We sell our products retail, wholesale, direct to consumer, and B2B. Since 2020, we've seen traction. We're in 24 locations across 5 cities. We've gone from producing about 20 bags monthly to producing 27 bags monthly. We are completely bootstrapped. We have not received any loans or any special financing. All of our money has came from our sales, and we are projected to be in 15 new locations in 2022 and have the capacity to grow to about 50,000 bags per month and double our sales also in 2022. Our team is founded by myself and my mother, who's my co-founder. I specialize in retail product development, premium food and beverage. My mother is a 35-year veteran of the emergency hospital system relating to infectious diseases or emergencies that are related to allergy-related illnesses. We have a team, what we call the Divine Nine. They specialize in food, beverage, nutrition, science, business, and they really bring to the table what we need to take our business to the next level. We also have 4 advisors that advise us in business management, finance, sales, marketing, and retail development. So let's talk about the competition. What sets us apart? You have Hostess, you have Little Debbie's, you have Eatemans. They've been focused on children with a smaller price point, limited flavors, and they pack their foods full of preservatives because they sell mass market nationwide. As a result, they've been profitable. I'm not going to hate on them, but their brand is capped. They have limited expansion opportunities because they're geared to a market that's more child focused, and they have isolated market reach because of their price point. Fully Charged Snacks is totally different. We're going to increase our price point, and we've been increasing our price point. Right now, we sell individually from $2.99 to $3.99 a bag wholesale, which allows the client to be able to sell $5.99 to $7.29 MSRP. We sell them in 16 pack cases, 50 pack pallets. And then we also have it where we have a flavor variety. We have 3 products, mini muffins, brownie bites, and donut drops. And they're in the flavors of lemon blueberry, berry, chocolate chip, cinnamon churro, and triple chocolate. We bring that adult flavor variety that's not usually found in our competitors' items. That gives what for you? A longer, larger profit margin. It has market and brand extension demographically and psychographically. We're able to build our portfolio as far as products and flavors being relatively new, and that the gluten-free, allergy-friendly business is $108 billion globally. So it is an underserved market. Also, Dole Foods did their research for us, and they said that 44% of consumers said that they would be willing to pay a premium price if they can get a snack option that's more healthy. So what does this mean for you? We want to help solve this problem by going directly to the consumer for you quickly. We're at special pop-up events. We're doing farmers markets. We're doing experimental marketing campaigns. We're on social media through community engagement, advocacy programs. Where
30 seconds.
We can also promote our product to the customer in the way that you like. So we would like for you to invest in us. And thank you for having me.
Thank you, Abe, very much. Questions from judges?
What is your shelf life?
90 days. And we are able to non-refrigeration required, and we're able to be in vending machines, grocery stores, so we are temperature resistant.
What was your sales traction, and what's your expected sales traction? Did you say 20 to 27?
So we produce 27,000 bags monthly now. We went from selling 20 bags a month at the start of the pandemic, and now we're at 27,000 bags a month, and we're projected to double that to about, with the capacity that we have right now with our current machinery, we're able to double that to 50,000 bags a month.
So what does that translate to in monthly sales?
In monthly sales, so right now we're producing at about 47,000 a month. And we have the ability to double that. And we can almost go into about 127,000 in sales with some of the premium clients that we're going to go into that can pay a little bit more wholesale.
I'm sorry, what was your ask and what would be put toward?
Yes, I'm sorry, I ended a little bit quicker. So the ask is for $250,000 and or the donation of a small lift truck. We want to expand our depositor. We want to also invest more in lead generation and marketing.
Thank you.
Thank you. Very much.